Hi viewers, yesterday YouTube sent me this email for tax ping which review generated from USA. Here you can say we are reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US later this year as early June 2021. Over the next few weeks, we will be asking you to submit your tax info in AdSense to determine the correct amount of taxes of deduct, if any, apply. If you uh, cannot if you do not give correct information or tax information, deduct up to 20% of your total earning worldwide. So what to do I need? In the next few weeks, you will receive an email to submit your tax. Why is this happening? Google has responsibility under Chapter 3 of the US Internal Revenue Code to collect tax info from all monetized creators outside of the US and deduct taxes in certain instances when they earn income from views in the US. For creators outside of US, we will soon be updating our terms of service where your earnings from YouTube will be considered royalties from a US tax perspective. This may impact the way your earnings are taxed, and as required by US law, Google will deduct taxes. How will my earning be impacted? If you provide your tax info, US taxes may only be applied to your monthly US earning from AdSense. That is include revenue earned from earning views in the US through ad views, YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Sticker, and channel membership. If no tax info is provided, your tax rate may default to the higher individual backup withholding rate 24% of total earning worldwide. To estimate uh, to estimate the potential impact on your earnings, follow the instruction. Here uh, I am following that instruction I give individual and I am outside of United States, so I select here no. So select W8 text from type based on your previously selected answer. W8 form is generated WBN. This form is most commonly used by individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. And under that W8BECL, this form is most commonly used by a non-US business entity. So I choose the first one, W8BEN. Here I select W8BN, first one, as I am an individual. Next, start WBN form. Here you need to give taxpayer identification number, DBA, doing business as name or design entity. These are optional. Here you can see country or citizenship. Here I will give my own country. Taxpayer identification number for a foreign TIN, US TIN if you have. Now I will select my own country. Now I have to select next. I clicked next. Then you have to select your city, address, permanent. You have to give your permanent address and postal code, post office. Here address line 2 and address line 1 and address line 2, you will need to give your permanent address. I will give here my permanent address and click next. After giving all information, I press next. Then this is this page shown. Here I select the option no tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of and now I will tax go to next. Use tax law. US tax law may impose a now I will click next. After that form 1 WBRN will be generated. If all is correct, all then you have to give a tick mark, and here automatic generated a form. Here you can see I download my form. You will see your details in this form. If all are right, you have to give a tick marks and you have to go next button. Then this type of tab will come: tax treaty certification document preview, reviewed and confirmed for W8BEN default. Here under 5 certification, here you see I am an individual, that is under penalty of perjury I declare that I have exclaimed the information on this form and to the best of my knowledge and belief it is true. I am the individual, that is the beneficial owner, and I am the authorized for sign for the individual. The person named in the tax identity section of the form is not a US person, as I am not a US citizen. The income to which this form relates is not effectively connected with the conduct of a trade or business in the United States. Here you will see some condition you should read carefully. Now if all are well, you have give your full name as a signature, and I am giving it. After that after that the status says are you the right person. Now you have to tick: has the individual or entity identified the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google with US. Here you have to, if you have YouTube channel, you have to give yes. I am giving here yes. Then next, are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that has not received payment, or existing payments profile that has previously received payment? You have to give here details. You reading it, you will easily understand reading it. Now you will see this type of message: your information has been approved. For getting more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.